Hi, this is Georgia and you're watching me on Filmy Mantra. खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह.
Wow, that's amazing, Georgia. That's amazing.
Thank you.
Human relations होते हैं, मम्मी पापा का रिलेशन होता है, भाई बहन का रिश्ता होता है.
Yeah, मुद्दे पे आ जाओ. I know where you're. I know.
तो समझ गए कि मतलब आज
समझे ज़माना के दिल है खिलौना. It doesn't matter what religion you are part of. You can be Muslim, you can be Christian, you can be Hindu. India is my mother. My staff is my family at the end of the day. I would say Rajamouli and Sanjay Leela Bansali.
Oh.
And as choreographers, I would say Vaibhavi and विजय गांगुली. ट्रेनर को बोला है कि अभी देखो, आज मेरा पहला दिन है, देखो 2 हफ्ते के बाद.
जब आप जिम के कपड़ों में स्पॉट होती हो तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई विल टेल यू व्हिच बैग इज दैट द गुची का बैग है जिसका
मुझे पता था ये बहुत कंफर्टेबल है, you know, like you wear it like this and बिहारी song in Georgia, like what's the link in between?
इट्स ओके, दैट्स अ पीपल्स जॉब.
बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया है.
यस,
It depends how bad it is. You become faster to realize who you have in front of you and to change page like this. Like, okay, there's this guy. Oh, I have butterflies in the stomach. Oh my God, that's him. When you have butterflies in the stomach, in a marriage, it's not like, oh baby, darling, give me. This is part of it. जब मैं छोटी थी, मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे हमेशा बदसूरत, एकदम बदसूरत बेकार जूते खरीदी थी. Love life when I get married, because before that anything can happen really. कच्ची रोटी खाकर रोटी खाके कच्ची रोटी.
Today I'm chatting with someone who brings so much positivity and global energy. She's an actress and a great dancer and someone who has beautifully blended cultures. Yes, I'm talking about Georgia.
Hi.
Welcome, Georgia.
Hi.
How you feeling?
Very good, very good. How about you?
I'm very happy. So I just wanted to give a compliment to you. You're looking so stunning in this attire.
Thank you.
And you look great in Indian attire too.
Thank you so much.
So there's a picture of yours on Instagram where you're wearing a white salwar kameez and you're wearing a tilak on your forehead. And that tilak really adds so much of power and calmness to your personality. So I just wanted to know that what made you wear that tilak, or is there a reason you chose to wear that tilak?
No, I was in Tirupati and I took the blessings, the God blessings from there, and it was such a powerful experience for me, and I proudly wore the tilak that they made me wear there after the aarti. Yeah.
Nice. So spirituality की बात करें, spirituality brings so much of energy and calmness in one's life. So how do you connect yourself with the spirituality?
The energy that blesses us all. It doesn't matter what religion you are part of. You can be Muslim, you can be Christian, you can be Hindu, you can be whatever. Like, the energy is the same for everyone. Like the sun shines everywhere in the world.
Yeah. So for you, when you connect with the people, so you go with energy, right? This is how you connect with people. For you, as you said, that energy is everything for you. जब आप लोगों से बात करते, लोगों से connect करते, तो you always connect with people because of their energy, right?
See, it's not like I won't talk to somebody who doesn't have a good energy, because if I have to talk to them, I still will.
Yeah.
But surely, significant people in my life are surely there because of their energy.
Yeah.
It is that important for me that the person that you have with you is a well-wisher. Sometimes, even in your own family, there will be people who don't wish you well, and it is so important to surround yourself with people who actually believe in you.
Yeah, that they're good for your environment as well.
Of course, yeah.
So spirituality has given you something which you feel like ये मेरे साथ हमेशा ही रहेगी ये चीज.
You know, according to a philosophy that I'm following, which is called Kabbalah.
Okay.
Right now, I'm learning a lot about it. We were all born with something with a soul correction,
Okay.
basically, that we need to work on. So these loops that you are talking about happen with everybody. Like, you will realize that something is happening again and again and again and again and again with you, right? A certain pattern is happening all the time. And our work, according to me, the work that as a soul we come to this earth and do is to make that better, to correct our soul, to understand why that's happening to you, and then to finally change that, to become a new person. You know, every time something happens to you and you sort that out finally, it's like you are shedding. In my case, I've had to shed my ego many times. And it was like, it's almost like a death of your ego. So you still feel like it's a death of a part of your personality. And then start again afresh as a new person, and you'll attract different things.
And that's how you create a good karma as well, because karma is like a bank account. You have to keep on filling it, right, with the good fortune. And you will become a better person.
Though, you know, the universe does not understand that concept of good or bad. It only understands energy and the strength of your intention while you're doing it. So not necessarily because you are a good person and you do good karma, you get good things in life, because it all depends upon
the intention,
your intention behind that, and universe only sees that.
Georgia, अगर multicultural की बात करें, as you lived in different countries and I'm sure you worked in different industry as well. So do you feel like there's one thing that has shaped you more, or do you feel like it's a mix of everything?
I definitely think that India has shaped me a lot. Like, India has really changed me as a person. For me, I look at India like a mother.
Oh, that's great.
For me, India is my mother, and she has nourished me.
Oh, wow.
And made me what I am now. Sometimes with great things, sometimes with things that have made me learn.
I'm sure.
With a lot of lessons, but I am so grateful for all the lessons as well that I got, because again, I'm in a great space now. So
that's lovely.
Of course, I've lived in other countries as well. I've lived in London. I'm from Italy, but I was like 17 years old when I left from Italy. I was in Germany, in Munich, for 1.5 years. Then I was in Spain, and then I moved to London, and then I came here. However, I must say that each country has given me something. But finally, India is
the best for you.
For me, it's the best.
When you said that it's a mother for you, तो आप ऐसी कौन सी चीज हुई जिसकी वजह से आपको ये thought process आया that India is mother for you? Something must have happened with you, right?
In the beginning, when I came here, I started feeling loved in a way that had never happened before. But I'm not talking about romantic love or whatever. Like, I'm just talking about, like, it's
the love you were getting from the environment, from the
environment. The environment was very loving, and it made me. That love made me change as a person.
Oh, wow! So, what you have worked on yourself? So, what kind of person you were before that? Because you said that love has changed you a lot. तो उससे पहले आप कैसी इंसान थी?
Before becoming the person that I've become now, for sure, I had. I would say a bigger ego than now.
That's why you said that in the beginning.
Yes.
Ego has to be lower.
Yeah. It's very important to
you're
work
more grounded.
I'm much more grounded. I used to be also like more. I didn't think about it. Like I was impulsive. I wouldn't think twice before saying something, or I wouldn't think twice to, I mean, not slap somebody, but like to tell them to back off.
Yeah.
You know, now I am
think
more.
before.
I think before, and I'm more diplomatic for sure.
Not bad. You should be diplomatic, but in a political correct way, this is what I feel.
Yeah. At the end of the day, it is very important to get your point across the way
Yes.
you want to. Because if you're being
Yes.
disrespected, if somebody is walking on all over you, like on your feet,
Yeah.
you shouldn't fight, but you should make sure that the person understands that they are in your space.
Yeah.
Right? So you always have to find a good way to talk to people, because that's also more effective rather than being
Exactly.
rude.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. I also feel the same. When it comes to disrespect, you put it in such a way that it should not come across as the rude, but yeah, at the same time, you should know how to take your own stand.
Yeah, you should stand your ground
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is a city. Mumbai is a city that has so many different cultures and so many different languages,
Yeah.
cuisines, and customs, you know. But being a melting pot of cultures, it made me realize that love, in fact, has no culture.
Yes.
Right?
Absolutely
That
agree.
everybody, there's a Gujarati lady, she's 85, she loves me like her daughter. She didn't even know me. You know, like I go and visit her every now and then. I go and have lunch with her because she just loved me because of no reason, you know. Like people here like to sit next to you
And
and,
then start
ask
giving
you
love to
questions.
you.
Even when I was not known, people would sit next to me and start talking. You know, let's have a conversation. This doesn't really happen in Europe, you know. And when I came here, I found this love that really made me a more, it polished me into being more loving.
Yeah.
India made me start accepting love from others and from myself.
Yes, yes. It's very important because I feel being in India, it's something where people are ready to give you love. It's up to you how you are taking that love.
Yeah.
So, and in fact, there's a video of yours on your Instagram where you are having a fun with your cook or something like that. So, वो relation कैसा है? मतलब, how did you gel with her? How do you starting having those fun moments?
With my staff.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
lady who cooks for you, because you're making a lot of funny reels with her.
Yeah. So this is another thing, in fact.
Yeah.
The reason why I feel home here is because my staff is my family at the end of the day. They've been with me since maybe 7 years now, and they love me. Again, they work
Selfless
for me,
love.
but
Yeah.
what else? Why would they love me so much?
Yeah.
So the love that I've received from them as well is something that I can never forget, you know.
I think you are giving also at the same
I'm
time.
also giving for
Yeah,
sure.
that's how you are getting it. If
Yeah.
you are giving it, you
Yeah.
will get that naturally.
Yeah,
And those funny videos, like so amazing. मतलब वो chit chat जो होती है, वो हिंदी के videos, वो fun, वो it was like it's a great bond. मतलब वो एक happy bond. It's like everyone is a family.
Every day
Yeah.
in my house,
Yeah.
there's jokes, there's drama, there's some tamasha
Tamasha.
happening. Like you have no idea about it.
It's good to hear that,
Yeah.
that you're absolutely loving this country.
Absolutely.
And people also at the same time. तो कह सकते हैं कि जॉर्जिया को इंडिया ने नहीं, जॉर्जिया ने इंडिया को पूरा एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है. तो अनाउंस कर सकते हैं ऑफिशियली मल्टी टैलेंटेड, मल्टी कल्चर एंड फुली एडजस्टेड. अग्री?
Very much. I mean, I shouldn't say that about myself, but India for sure, like
Yeah.
super loved. by
Super
me.
loved. Yeah, I can also relate with this because I come from North, आगरा, उत्तर प्रदेश. That's a small city, but yeah, मैंने भी वहाँ से बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी हैं. I'm still connected with my roots. But yeah, people love to give love
Yeah.
in India specifically.
To give love and
Yeah.
to to receive it as well.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah,
अगर
that's true.
मटेरियलिस्टिक चीजों की बात करें जॉर्जिया, लग्जरी ऑब्सेशन आई फील इट्स अ फैशन, बट सेलिब्रिटी और लग्जरी ऑब्सेशन का ना हमेशा से ही ना एक बहुत गहरा रिश्ता रहा है. तो आप लग्जरी को प्यार करते हो या लग्जरी आपको प्यार करती है?
दोनों भाई. I love luxury and luxury loves me too, loves me back.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आप लग्जरी चीज़ों की शॉपिंग कर रही हो और आपको अंदर से एक आवाज़ आई कि भाई थोड़ा रुक जाते हैं, थोड़ा नॉर्मल इंसान बन जाते हैं?
उसी आवाज को चुप करती हूँ.
कि
क्योंकि मतलब लक्जरी मेरे लिए बहुत मतलब उसका मतलब है कि मैं अपने आप को स्पॉइल कर रही हूँ और मुझे अपने आप को स्पॉइल हमेशा करना है.
तो यू फील लाइक कि मतलब मुझे कंफर्ट जोन में रहना है, मुझे चाहिए.
इतना काम करती हूँ किस लिए?
एंड व्हाई नॉट?
हाँ, व्हाई नॉट?
लग्जरी और थोड़ा कंफर्ट ना हो तो फिर क्या ही फन. जॉर्जिया, यूजुअली आपके जो स्पॉटिंग वीडियोस होते हैं, जो मैंने भी देखे हैं, जो मैं स्टॉक कर रही थी आपको लिटरली, दे आर ऑलवेज इन जिम वेयर्स. आप हमेशा जिम वेयर्स में होती हो.
मैं हमेशा जिम जाते रहती हूँ.
तो दैट मीन्स कि आप लोगों को इंस्पायर कर रही हो अपनी फिटनेस से और अपने जिम क्लोथ से.
तो अच्छी बात है ना. वो तो अच्छी बात है.
आपको नहीं लगता
मैंने आपको इंस्पायर किया है क्या?
आई एम श्योर बिकॉज़ यू हैव डन इट.
वेरी गुड.
आई सॉ योर वीडियो जहाँ पे आप रेड कलर का जिम वेयर पहनी हुई हो. उस वीडियो को देख के मुझे ऐसा लगा यार ये कलर बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे भी बाय करना चाहिए.
Alo, listen to this.
Yeah, so I feel आप जिम वेयर के जो शॉप्स है उनका भी बिजनेस आप ग्रो कर रही हो.
Absolutely. I believe that.
You believe that?
Yeah, every time I go to a different gym,
हाँ.
finally people start coming to that gym.
What do you say?
Yeah.
And they are getting.
और अभी मैंने एक नया जिम ज्वाइन किया है.
हाँ.
ठीक है,
बट बहुत अच्छी है जैसी भी है.
तो मैंने एक नई वाली जिम ज्वाइन किया है.
हाँ.
और मैंने मेरे ट्रेनर को बोला है कि अभी देखो, आज मेरा पहला दिन है, देखो 2 हफ्ते के बाद
that you will have a lot of people. They are new customers because of you. Not bad. मतलब आप जहाँ भी जा रही हो वहाँ सबका बिजनेस बढ़ा रही है, चाहे वो जिम शॉप हो, चाहे जो जिम आपका स्टेशन हो, मतलब everyone is like having a business because of you. Not bad, not bad.
Yeah. Brands, all the best brands.
All the best, yeah.
Listen to this.
And you know what, Georgia? जब आप जिम के कपड़ों में स्पॉट होती हो तो most of the time हैंड बैग से ज्यादा देयर इज अ बैग विच यू कैरी, वो शोल्डर बैग है जो आप सबसे ज्यादा कैरी करती हो. आई विल टेल यू विच बैग इज दैट. द गुची का बैग है जिसका
मुझे पता था कि वो ही बैग होना चाहिए.
तो वो आपका फेवरेट बैग है या कोई फनी स्टोरी उसके साथ में?
यही पहनते रहती हूँ वो बैग. मतलब मैंने कितनी बार पहना है? 10-15 बार बस.
10-15 बार. मतलब दैट्स योर फेवरेट बैग, पिंक बॉर्डर वाला?
It's not. I have so many nice bags.
I'm sure, but it looks like that's your favorite one, and that pink border is like something जिसकी वजह से वो attractive बहुत लगता है.
You know, everybody thinks that that's my favorite bag.
Oh, is it?
In fact, it's not. I love backpacks. That's the thing. मुझे backpacks पहनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ये बहुत comfortable है, you know, like you wear it like this. And
so that's the story is connected with that bag.
Yeah, with that bag in particular, yes.
Achha, I will ask you something. If you have a magic card that could buy anything,
magic card
that could buy anything in the world, so what's that first thing you would like to splurge on?
Credit card.
Any card. Credit card, debit card. It's like loaded with money.
Okay.
If you have that.
The first thing I would buy with a credit card.
That's a magic card.
That has no limit.
No limit.
Limitless card.
Yeah.
मैं क्या खरीदती होती? मुझे yachts अच्छा लगता है बहुत. Yeah, I would get a yacht for myself.
वो तो आप नॉर्मल अपने कार्ड से भी खरीद सकते हो.
What are you talking about? It's for at least $1 billion.
I feel you should.
Yeah.
You said that you believe in power, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I believe in spirituality.
Yeah.
But that doesn't make of me a person that doesn't enjoy
Not like with the
luxury.
honest-
I love luxury.
Honestly, one which ऐसी कौन सी लग्जरी है जिसके बिना आप रह नहीं सकते? डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन.
बहुत relative concept भी है कि मेरे लिए लक्ष्यरी होता है, किसी के लिए, किसी और के लिए
वो नॉर्मल होगा.
वो normal होगा. Yeah, like yours, for me, it's still something that I have not reached. But for many people, that's normality, you know? Or for me, for example, like living in a house where I live in, for many people will not be normal, you know, like.
Yeah, I'm sure.
So a luxury that I can live without luxury also. I have lived without luxury for many years. I can do without it, but
But still you want it.
I love it.
You love it.
Why should I
Everyone
give it
love it. Correct. लाइफ हमारी एक ऐसी लाइफ होती है जहाँ पे हमेशा ना अप एंड डाउन्स होते हैं. इट्स नेवर स्मूथ. So there was any moment in your life where you felt low, bit confused about your career, and how did you balance it?
Only one.
What?
So many moments where I felt really down and me not knowing what will happen with me, especially 2023 and 2024 have been years where I was very low in energy and I was confused. I didn't know what to do. But finally, I don't want to be repetitive, but if you connect with God, you'll always know what to do. And He'll always show you things and situations where you're like, okay, God, I see. This is a situation now that you're presenting me, and you'll tackle it accordingly.
I'm sure. So moral of the story, थोड़ा confused होना जरूरी है, but ज़्यादा नहीं.
ज़्यादा नहीं. Correct.
Correct, right.
Confused होना अच्छी चीज है.
Yes.
अच्छी बात है.
अच्छी बात है.
क्योंकि अगर आप confused हो, तब भी आप सही रास्ता ढूंढ सकते हो.
हाँ.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes. Confusion is something जो आपका रास्ता खोलते हैं क्लैरिटी की तरफ जाने के लिए. अगर हमेशा ही क्लैरिटी रहेगी तो फिर I feel that is also not right.
No,
Confusion से that if confusion is there, आप सीखते हो उस confusion से कि that आप आगने वाली चीजों को कैसे हैंडल कर सकते हो.
Correct.
है ना?
सही है.
सही. मैं ज्यादा ज्ञान दे रही हूँ.
I'm number 3.
Yeah. So, जैसे कि आप यू आर एन अमेजिंग डांसर, आई हैव सीन योर वीडियोज ऑल्सो. आपके एक वीडियो है जो बहुत ही ज्यादा वायरल हुई है डांस में. आई फील मुझे ऐसा लगता है इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद कि आपने शायद उस दिन सुबह सुबह पूजा की थी घर पे, आपने तिलक लगाया और सीधे आप डांस स्टूडियो चली गई.
मैं सिद्धिविनायक टेम्पल गई थी एक्चुअली. फिर सीधा मैं डांस के लिए
चली. एंड दैट वीडियो हैज वायरल अ लॉट. तो मतलब वो तिलक मुझे लगा कि शायद वो एक लाइमलाइट पॉइंट था जिसकी वजह से शायद वो वीडियो वायरल हुई.
बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपसेट थे और बुरा ट्रोल किया.
इट्स ओके, दैट्स अ पीपल्स जॉब.
ठीक है. बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया है.
यस, आई थिंक दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ. और एक और चीज थी उस वीडियो में कि आप बिहारी सॉन्ग पे डांस कर रही थी जॉर्जिया. मतलब इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि उस लैंग्वेज को लिप सिंक करना और डांस करना. ओह गॉड, इट्स वेरी इम्पॉसिबल. मतलब मैं नहीं कर पाती हूँ. हाउ यू आर डूइंग इट? जस्ट टेल मी. And there's full of energy and excitement that video.
I've just learned it. I can learn anything. Like if you give me any language, I can learn it. Like you just give me some time, I'll pakado it.
Sync was so perfect. यार ये लोग कैसे कर लेती है. मतलब मुझे कोई देते, मतलब मुझे टाइम लगता है वो लाइव पे.
I know it was funny. A lot of people were commenting this Bihari song in Georgia. Like, what's the link in between?
The reaction was
funny.
amazing, and the moves was like killer.
Thank you.
Yeah, because अभी इंडस्ट्री में जैसे बहुत सारे बिग सेलिब्रिटीज हैं, स्पेशली एक्ट्रेसेस की बात करें, दीपिका एंड ऑल, दे आर लाइक लिटरली बिजी इन मदरहुड. सो देयर इज अ गैप फॉर एन आउटस्टैंडिंग डांसर. So how you're preparing yourself to step in and to shine on the bigger screen as an incredible dancer?
I'm preparing myself a lot.
Is it?
I do dance practice almost every day now.
Nice.
Because it's also something that I, not only professionally, it's something that I
You
really
just love
love to do. You know, it
Uh-huh.
puts me in such a great mood.
Happy.
So yeah, simultaneously I'm also getting prepared. And also another thing, very important thing is that when they call you for a film or for a music video, normally they want you to
perform.
no, they want you to get the song ready in 3-4 days, which is something that I'm not doing anymore.
Okay.
Because a few songs, honestly, I screwed up because of that, because the time was not enough. And so I couldn't prepare myself properly. So now I'm only practicing and working for like 20 days, 30 days for a song.
For a song.
Yeah.
अगर आपको मौका मिले कोई फिल्म करने का एज अ ग्रेट डांसर, तो आप कौन से प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करना पसंद करेंगे? कैमरा को बताना है.
Okay, as directors, I would say Rajamouli and Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Nice.
And as choreographers, I would say Vaibhavi and Vijay Ganguly.
Nice.
Yeah.
तो प्लीज आप उनको रिक्वेस्ट कर दें कि वो आपको जरूर कास्ट करें, बिकॉज देयर इज अ गैप फॉर अमेजिंग डांसर and I feel you will rock on the screen.
Thank you. Thank you.
Because you rock in amazing Indian attire, you rock in Western attire. So I think you had gone for some event जहाँ पे आप ना animal print dress पहनी हुई थी. And that video went so viral कि मतलब समझ ही नहीं आया कि क्या ही हुआ. The way you lifted your dress a little bit in front, I thought that you're just trying to avoid a tripping. What was that exactly?
There was drama.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 100%. Drama. I'm dramatic.
Oh, you love drama. But that movement was like so amazing. मैंने भी देखा, मैंने कहा ये हुआ क्या? Like, I was like कि मैं आपको पूछूंगी कि ये क्या था, आपने क्यों किया? You just wanted to flaunt yourself.
To flaunt.
To flaunt your dress and yourself and your beauty. Nice. So जॉर्जिया, फेम का कौन सा हिस्सा है जो आपको genuinely uncomfortable करता है?
That.
For me, मेरे लिए सोशल मीडिया पे आप, I think you're very hot, you look very sexy on camera, and your camera presence is very strong. But today I'm interacting with you, so I can say that you're a beautiful person as well.
Oh, thank you. I think there's not much difference then between
Any of those.
media Georgia and personal Georgia. There's not so much difference.
Yeah, I think you're always happy on camera, also behind camera also. This is what I feel.
Yeah, I'm a happy person.
Same, yeah, I'm also a happy person. Always. अगर आप famous नहीं होती तो आप अभी क्या कर रही होती?
It's a question that I really ask myself many times.
Okay.
But because I am also an entrepreneur.
Oh, lovely.
Yes. So I am working on different projects still now. So अगर मैं मशहूर नहीं होती तो मैं जो मैं अभी कर रही हूँ वो भी करती होती.
वो भी कर रही होती. तो what business you have? मतलब क्या business है आपका जो अभी आप कर रही हो?
So initially I started doing I started branding buildings, but I was not doing this in India.
Okay.
Putting together developers and designers, the designers that I know from Italy. And then here I'm starting something. I'm starting two things. With my sister, we have a business in Italy.
Okay. But it's a great idea.
Yeah.
मतलब
And here I have two things coming up, but I want to
Reveal
launch
right
them and reveal them
Right
later.
now.
Yeah.
Cool. All the best. And I feel that's a great idea as a developer काम करने का और इटली के डिजाइनर के साथ काम करने का. I think you bring that Italy fashion in Mumbai also. Don't you think so?
I think that this this branded residencies business that I was doing before in India, people are not ready for it as well. You know, in India, people have ego. They say, well, you know what? The developers say, I am the brand. I don't need any brand.
I feel अगर वो चीज अगर आप यहाँ लेकर आ जाओगे, it itself a charm. मतलब अभी तक किसी ने ऐसा किया नहीं है. And that can be a strength.
Yeah, but nobody
Bring
has
the-
done it because there's a
Yeah.
reason to it.
I'm
Because
sure.
it is definitely more expensive, and in India, people, I've tried, but
लोगों के पास बहुत
it
पैसे
didn't
हैं
work. Yeah, people have a lot of money here,
yeah,
but still to brand
हाँ.
a building, I don't think they are ready for it.
Yeah.
Not because of money.
Because of the thought process.
Yeah, the thought process
Yeah.
is like paying a house from
Yeah.
10 to 20% more expensive
Yeah.
for a brand.
हाँ.
People,
Are not ready
yeah,
for that.
no.
I
No.
got that.
I've already tried.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So, अगर हम relationships की बात करें, like we are also sharing a relation as a actor, as an anchor right now. हमारी दुनिया में बहुत सारे रिलेशंस होते हैं. ह्यूमन रिलेशंस होते हैं, मम्मी पापा का रिलेशन होता है, भाई बहन का रिश्ता होता है.
Yeah. मुद्दे पे आ जाओ. I know where you're. I know where
No,
you're
I don't want to go there exactly, but so I just wanted to understand that when it comes to breakup, so how do you handle yourself emotionally while staying focused at work?
It depends how bad it is. If it's really bad, then I don't handle myself for a couple of days or weeks. But yeah, I mean, even these people come in your life because you need to learn that lesson, right? I've understood now, thanks to my relationship, what love is and what I am looking for in a partner, right? So it hurts, and when you are hurt, sometimes you just need to feel the pain,
Yeah.
right? But then, of course, like every time you become
Better person.
faster to realize who you have in front of you and to change page like this, like
Move on to the next.
yeah, move on, move on.
Nice, nice. It's good to have this kind of attitude because this is how you will move easily.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And not only relationships, even with friends,
Yeah.
if the person is not your person,
Yeah.
you should, like this, they should be out of your life. You can't keep somebody in your life that is slowing you down. You need people who are supportive, and even a partner. I think, you know, people really misunderstand what love is.
Yeah.
They think, okay, there's this guy. Oh, I have butterflies in the stomach. Oh my God, that's him. When you have butterflies in the stomach,
Never
it's
go
not
for
the
that.
guy. That's not your guy, because it means like you're kind of putting him on a pedestal.
Yeah.
And the time you put a guy or a girl on a pedestal, you are not on the same level. And to be together with somebody, you should be on the same level. So, yeah, I mean, this is what bad breakups kind of teach people. And I think people are becoming a little smarter now, but there's a lot of misconception of what love is. It's not chemistry.
Yeah.
It's not only, of course, chemistry needs to be there, but it's not only about chemistry.
Yeah. It's about the connection.
It's about compatibility.
Yeah.
You have to be compatible with the person, because in a marriage, it's not like, oh, baby, darling, give me. This is part of it, but you need to also share the same values.
Yeah.
If we are not sharing the same values,
It's hard.
it's not hard. It can't happen.
Yeah.
You know, we can be different, but values should come together.
Yeah. एक्सेस को आप कौन सी कैटेगरी में रखती हो? लेसन, मेमोरी या मिस्टेक?
Memory.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's lovely.
Yeah, you should keep
Yeah, good memories.
good memories about
Yeah.
people, even if they've hurt you or you've hurt them.
Yeah.
I think sometimes you need to be the villain in somebody else's story, and that's okay.
Yeah.
But you should forgive yourself and move on and have good memories about everybody. Yeah.
कौन सी चीज है जो आप इंस्टेंटली नोटिस करती हो किसी में भी?
जूते.
Oh, is it?
हाँ.
Why?
I don't know. Well, actually, I know. जब मैं छोटी थी, मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे हमेशा बदसूरत, एकदम बदसूरत बेकार जूते खरीदी थी. तो इसलिए मुझे याद है जब मैं छोटी थी, मैं सोचती थी कि जब मैं बड़ी हो जाऊंगी मुझे अच्छे वाली जूते चाहिए. Yeah.
So you're fond of shoes now.
Yeah, I have a fetish for
How many shoes you have?
at least 60 pairs at home.
Not bad.
It's not so many, but it's a
so
selection.
many. Yeah.
Because I don't believe in buying shoes and throwing them.
Yeah, better to
So I
wear them.
make sure that I wait for the right pair of shoes. I take care of them so much. I don't walk, like not even with my walking shoes. I'll walk in water or no.
So you are taking care of your shoes like a baby.
Yes, absolutely.
Nice. Okay. As you said that everybody loves to be loved. So where does your love life stand right now?
My love life.
Yes.
My love life. Well, I'm still not married, and I think I'm gonna talk about love life when I get married, because before that, anything can happen, really. You know?
So you are saying that romance is on paused or buffering?
For me,
Yeah. For you, yeah. So we'll take it as a soft launch, but not a full trailer.
you could take it as a soft launch.
Yeah. Not the full trailer.
Not a full trailer.
Nice. तो ठीक है, थोड़ा सा suspense भी जरूरी है.
Yeah, absolutely.
Romance is alive and well. That is more important.
Yes, it is indeed.
तो समझ गए कि मतलब
क्या समझ
आज
गए?
भी लव लाइफ में आज भी लव बिल्कुल फिल्टर की तरह है. मतलब पुराने टाइम में लव वाज लाइक स्लो कुकर की तरह था. आज इट्स लाइक अ एयर फ्रायर.
Yeah, true.
है ना, फॉर दिस जनरेशन ऑल्सो. तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि मतलब आज के जनरेशन को लव की किस तरीके से वैल्यू करनी चाहिए?
I don't think love is so much valued today because the options are so many.
Everyone
So it's understandable also. There's too many options, both for men and for women. Your question is reminding me of that song that goes "Samjhe zamana ke dil hai khilon."
I know.
So it's like that. It's like that. Nowadays, there's no value for.
इट्स लाइक अ वाईफाई ट्रीटमेंट. कनेक्शन स्ट्रांग हुआ तो ठीक है, नहीं तो वीक हुआ तो मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but I just know that when you find the right person, you know that that's it.
I know that you can feel it.
You can feel it. You know when this person is my person.
Yeah.
So, but I think it's rare to find that person nowadays. Like it's
hard.
too difficult. Like
Yeah.
to make something work, you should live with that person in an isolated
Yeah.
place.
And keep it private.
Like you and them, and that's it. That's the
it.
only way you can
Yeah.
make it work nowadays.
And
Unless you're super lucky. I'm not saying that I am really, or
love
maybe
is a
I am.
beautiful feeling. Love is a beautiful
Yeah,
feeling.
it is.
One should taste that.
It
Why
is.
not?
Yeah, it is.
जॉर्जिया, आप इंडिया में जब आई तो आपने हिंदी कब सीखी?
मैं हिंदी कब सीखी?
कितना टाइम लगेगा आपको हिंदी सीखने?
मुझे 7 महीने लगे.
बट फिर भी आपने बहुत जल्दी सीख ली. लोगों को तो 1-1, 2-2 साल लग जाते, लोग सीख नहीं पाते.
पर वो हिंदी जो मैं बात करती हूँ थोड़ा ब्रोकन है.
इट्स ओके
क्योंकि
बट
थोड़ा हिंग्लिश है, हिंग्लिश भी मिक्स्ड है।
हाँ
घर पे मैं तो सिर्फ हिंदी में बात कर
करती हूँ।
सकती हूँ क्योंकि
Maid है।
मैं स्टाफ तो उनको इंग्लिश नहीं आती है। मेरी हिंदी इतनी अमेजिंग नहीं है,
बट स्टिल
लेकिन
आपने
फिर भी
कोशिश की कि आपने 7 महीने में सीख
7
लिया।
महीने में मुझे
हाँ।
सब कुछ समझ में आया।
मतलब अब नंबर्स जो होते हैं ना उनको भी आप हिंदी में बहुत अच्छे से बोले, जैसे अभी आपने AC के लिए बोला 18 पे कर दो, कैन यू जस्ट से इट अगेन? तो चलिए हम आपके साथ ना एक टंग ट्विस्टर करते हैं हिंदी में।
Oh my God, okay.
It's going to be amazing.
Okay,
Georgia. It's going to be
okay.
amazing. So just listen it properly. कच्ची रोटी खाकर रोती, रोटी खाके कच्ची रोटी।
कच्ची रोटी खाकर रोटी।
I will do it again. Let me just say it for you. कच्ची रोटी खाकर रोती,
कच्ची रोटी खाकर रोटी,
रोटी खाके कच्ची रोटी।
रोटी खाके कच्ची रोटी। I know that
रोटी is चपाती।
रोटी
रोटी is चपाती।
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Last
I know
one.
that खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से
खड़कती है खिड़कियाँ,
खिड़कियों के खड़कने से
खड़कता है खड़क सिंह। Wow, that's amazing, Georgia. That's amazing.
Thank you.
Cool. So we are done with this session, and thank you so much for your lovely presence.
Thank you so much.
you.